Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba polling do hene kasing ula kentan banjuba balor ke jingpha legal notice jong kong pidalia toy hande ula ong bakani ka ba ule kalong ka badan kam habai de ba search committee na kalyang uba lingdo ula yathu bakila dep banthau yagani committee hagaban khli do commissioner ba secretary jong Katanat Social Welfare hakabakin dan language ki official member but language ki principal jong ki college sho na kalyang uba polling do ula ong bakila nang panbha sho ya ka kam Markitrang bu director bertemai jong Katanat unde ubri ubalabyang pura ha kapudi puthi. Khanang ba unna banno senyang syakatanat namar Katanat Social Welfare kadan kam shibun ikijing ajing mut.
See, these are instances which are very unfortunate. But now what we have done is we have also revamped the department. We've brought an officer who is well acquainted with education as director social welfare, and I'm sure she will be able to contribute much more immensely, because these are areas where a lot of counseling requires to be done, a lot of constant interaction requires to be done, and which is why I'm taking more interest tomorrow, day after, visiting West Khas Hills to see how the CDPO offices work, how the ICDS scheme works, starting from West Khas Hills. So we are proactive. We are on the job.
But they are defaming the eyes of public. What do you have to say?
I don't think I want to comment on that anymore. I've said whatever I wanted to say. This is more important. What we're doing now is much more important than one individual.
But she has alleged you of abusing your power.
And you can always talk and keep talking to her.
What about the search committee?
Already constituted.
So who are the members?
It's headed by Commissioner and Secretary of the Social Welfare Department. Three other official members, and then 3 college principals as non-official members.